Welcome to my NutriBullet Pro 900 review. Unboxing this compact powerhouse is like opening a treasure chest of blending possibilities. You'll find a sleek champagne-colored base that houses the 900-watt motor. The Pro comes with two 24-ounce cups, perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. You'll also get a set of sippy lids and lip rings, some with handles for easy carrying. The star of the show is the Cross Blade, designed to pulverize even the toughest ingredients. To help you get started, NutriBullet includes a pocket nutritionist guide and a recipe book full of healthy blending ideas. With all these components, you're all set to start your journey towards quick and easy nutrition. Powerful blending awaits with this compact powerhouse. You'll be impressed by how quickly the Pro 900 transforms tough ingredients into smooth, sippable nutrition. Its 900-watt motor makes short work of nuts, seeds, and fibrous fruits and veggies. Most smoothies blend up in under a minute, perfect for busy mornings. The NutriBullet's blades are designed for maximum nutrient extraction, helping you get the most out of your ingredients. You'll be pleasantly surprised at just how thoroughly this small yet mighty personal blender mixes up your ingredients. You might find the single speed limiting for some recipes, but what the NutriBullet Pro 900 lacks in adjustability, it more than makes up for in both power and efficiency. Whipping up your favorite smoothies just got a whole lot simpler because the Pro 900 is designed with maximum user-friendliness in mind. You'll love how straightforward it is to operate. Just push, twist, and blend. No complicated buttons or settings to fuss with, which is more than can be said for most blenders these days. Cleaning is a breeze too. The blades twist off easily for a quick rinse, and the cups are dishwasher safe. You can have your nutrient-packed drink and clean up in no time. The compact size won't hog your counter space, making it perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms. Plus, with its powerful motor, you can blend most smoothies in under a minute. This means you can fit healthy nutrition into even the busiest mornings. The Pro 900 comes with handy accessories like sippy lids and handled rings, so you can take your creations on the go without any spills, which is ideal if you want to be sipping smoothies on the go. Keeping your NutriBullet Pro clean is a breeze. After blending, simply rinse the blades under warm water with a bit of soap. The cups are dishwasher safe, so you can pop them on the top rack for easy cleaning. For stubborn residue, fill the cup with warm soapy water and blend for a few seconds. This quick trick will have your NutriBullet sparkling clean in no time. Regular maintenance is minimal. Just wipe down the base with a damp cloth occasionally. Remember to check the rubber gasket on the blade assembly periodically to ensure it's in good condition. With proper care, your NutriBullet Pro will keep whipping up smooth, nutritious drinks for years to come. Its simple design makes cleaning and maintenance a quick task, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your creations. Next up on my NutriBullet Pro 900 review, let's take a look at the pros and cons. This compact powerhouse packs a punch with its 900-watt motor. You'll love how quickly it blends smoothies, often in under a minute. The simple design makes it a breeze to use. Just push, twist, and blend. Cleaning is a snap too, with dishwasher-safe cups and easy-to-rinse blades. Plus, you get a variety of accessories, including multiple cups and lids for on-the-go sipping. On the flip side, the noise level might be a concern if you're blending early in the morning. Despite its small size, this blender definitely isn't quiet. And obviously, given the small size, the NutriBullet 900 isn't great for larger portions either. You're probably wondering if this powerful little blender is worth the investment. For me, the answer is definitely yes. The Pro 900 packs a punch with its 900-watt motor, making quick work of tough ingredients like nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. You'll appreciate how easy it is to use. Just push, twist, and blend. Cleanup is a breeze too, with dishwasher-safe parts. The compact size won't hog your counter space, but still delivers nutrition-packed smoothies in under a minute. You get a good variety of accessories, including two 24-ounce cups with lids for on-the-go sipping. While it's great for quick smoothies and shakes, it's not ideal for making larger portions of your favorite concoctions. Overall though, If you're looking for a convenient way to boost your daily nutrition, the NutriBullet Pro 900 could be a solid choice for your kitchen.